In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification on Notion so you can add an extra layer of security to your account and keep your workspaces safe. With more personal data, business notes, and team projects living inside Notion, securing your account is more important than ever. The good news is that Notion makes it simple to turn on two-step verification in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged in to your Notion account. You can do this from your browser or the desktop app, and the steps are the same. Once you're inside Notion, start by going to a new page or any page within your workspace. From here, look to the left sidebar where you'll see your workspace name at the top. Click on your workspace name, which in this case is AYT space. This opens up the main workspace menu where all your account level options live. Next, in the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you into Notion's Settings panel, where you can manage preferences, security options, and account details. Inside the Settings panel, look for your account name, again shown as AYT. Click on your account name to open your personal account settings. Now you're in the right place to enable two-step verification. Scroll down until you find the Security section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Add Verification Method. This is where you can set up two-step verification for your Notion account. Go ahead and click on Add Verification Method. Notion will now guide you through the setup process. Typically, this involves using an Authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code with your Authenticator app or enter the setup key manually. Once your Authenticator app is connected, you'll be asked to enter a verification code to confirm everything is working correctly. After you've successfully entered the code, two-step verification will be enabled on your Notion account. From now on, whenever you log in, Notion will ask for both your password and a temporary verification code from your Authenticator app. This extra step dramatically improves your account security and helps protect your data even if your password is ever compromised. Before you leave the settings page, take a moment to review any backup codes or recovery options that Notion provides. Store these in a safe place because they can help you regain access if you ever lose your phone or Authenticator app. And that's it. You've successfully enabled two-step verification on Notion and made your account much more secure. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.